Hello my beautiful souls! Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maaaring mag-resonate, maaaring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maaaring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. So, we have here the Temperance and the Moon. The Empress and the Three of Cups. The Page of Cups and the Queen of Cups. Wow. Five of Cups and the Queen of Wands. Bottom card is a King of Pentacles. So, someone here is crying, no? About this, with this Five of Cups natin dito, gusto niya magkaayos na kayo nitong taong ito. So, gusto niyang, naghahanap siya ng, ayun. So, naputol yung evil eye bracelet ko na naman. So, second bracelet ko na ito. So, nako. It's not a good sign na maputulan ka na evil eye bracelet. So, ayan. So, continue natin. So, kailangan na naman natin mag-cleansing ng malala nito. Okay. So, ayan. Dito sa taong ito na crying over you, feeling lost, with this Five of Cups natin dito and the Three of Cups. Ayan. So, gustong-gusto niya na magkaayos kayo ASAP, no? Very, parang urgent na gusto niya makipag-ayos sa'yo ngayon. So, may mga specific signs tayo dito ng Sagittarius, Pisces, and Libra. Ayan. So, tingnan natin anong message ng Archangel natin. So, we have here clear cognizance by Archangel Uriel. Pay attention to thoughts and ideas that come to you as they are answered prayers. Okay. So, ito ay maaaring matagal mong hiniling, pero ayan, ibibigay sa'yo. Answered prayers. And let's see sa ating signs and symbol cards. So, we have here, ayan, parang divine timing ito with the traffic lights, pencil, lantern, tide letter. So, maaaring this person will send you a message, magparamdam bigla. Ayan, maaaring natali siya sa maling sitwasyon. Dati may pinili siyang tao na hindi siya naging satisfied or naging masaya, nag-break din sila. So, we have here teddy bear and medication. So, for some of you, nag-heal pa kayo dito from this person. Ang tagal nyo nagkaroon ng healing process bago maka-move on. So, tingnan natin sa ating mga tarot messages, oracle cards. I have multiple opportunities and I'm isolating myself to reflect. So we have here, I need to achieve my goals. I'm working hard for a future. I'm honest to you. You're my inspiration. You're so sweet and caring, and I will start to save money. Can't sleep thinking of you all night long. So, ayan, talagang hindi siya makakatulog sa gabi, kaiisip sa iyo, crying over you, feeling lost, yung energy nitong taong ito na feeling niya nawawala siyang tupa, hindi niya alam kung saan siya pupunta, saan siya tutungo ngayon na parang walang patutunguhan yung buhay niya kapag wala ka. And let's see more messages. So, I bury myself in work to forget you. So, sinubukan niya naman, nakalimutan ka na lang, and then mag-focus na lang sa sarili niya, sa work, or dun sa taong pinili niya, pero hindi lahat nag-work out. Hindi umubra. No. So, tingnan pa natin. We have here, I lost myself for a little while. So, yun na nga, para siyang ligaw na tupa rito, na hinahanap niya yung, pilit niyang hinahanap yung liwanag, na para siyang nasa madilim na lugar. No? At ikaw yung nagbigay sa kanya ng a glimpse of light na hinahanap-hanap niya sa buhay niya. So, we have here, it was my fault that I blamed you. I couldn't let you get close to me. I hid who I'm really am from you. So, okay. So, may mga childhood issues din siguro tong taong ito, no? Marami siyang mga pinagdaanan sa buhay noon na marami siyang traumatic experiences sa buhay niya na itinatago niya. And I wish I could share my good news with you. I want you and you don't know how hard it was to let you go. So, ayan o. Talagang hindi niya kinakaya ito. Nararamdaman niya very intense ngayon. I want to feel that way again. So, gusto niya kasi maramdaman ulit yun eh. Yung kakaibang energy na yun na na-feel niya with you. Hinahanap-hanap niya yung light na yun na ibinigay mo sa kanya. Na nagkaroon siya, parang feeling niya nagkaroon siya ng hope. Na malampasan niya yung mga traumatic experiences na yon dahil sa'yo. So, tingnan natin sa initials. Kuha tayo ng initials natin dito. F, Z, O, U. F, UFO. Y. Letter A. Letter D. J. X and S. P. Oops. Lumipad ang ating. So, nahulog yung card natin na R at saka E. And letter N. Bottom card T. Okay, so let's see sa ating blue card. We have here guilty. Ayan, so guilty siya sa nangyari. And acceptance. Attraction. So, matindi pa rin yung attraction na nararamdaman nitong taong to sa'yo. So, let's see sa ating general signs and messages. So, we have here Leo sign. Wands is fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Cold city, intelligent, and gorgeous. High expectations, Mindanao. So, hindi na natin kailangan i-explain kasi keywords na lang yan. Maintindihan nyo na yan. We have here popular and logical. March. Aries sign. Weird Aquarius. Funny. Rainy season. Number 8. And, ayan, nag-overthink siya ngayon. Very serious. Smart. Animal lover. Vulnerable. Long distance. Chaser. Mountain. So, gusto niya rin talaga maghabol eh. This time. Travel, alam ko long distance kayo, magta-travel pa yan. Ako, fantastic friend, July, and Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.